What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another motovlog. We are in Maryland today, riding a track that I've never been to before. Should be a good day. Let's see what this track's all about. Soil's looking deep, moist. Alright, we got it. Way over jumped it. Double. Alright, a little bit faster for that one. Oh! I always overshoot them the first time you hit them. I suppose it's better than casing them though. Got this triple. Maybe even shift up to fourth for that. On that 450. Alright, let's go. Right into this corner, second gear. There we go. Now the ruts are starting to form. This inside is good. Getting smoother every lap. Oh God, dude. Are you kidding me? I just got absolutely destroyed with mud. Bruh. My goggles were destroyed, cleaned them off. I probably should be wearing tear-offs, but I'm not that smart, you know? I'm not rocking tear-offs. So these spots on the track where like you just get annihilated by the roof. I don't really want to stay close to people. There's traction on the whole track right there, baby. Dude, people are ripping on this. Seems like we got all kinds of skill levels out here. I really like this corner. You land hard on the brakes. You just plow into that. The dirt is so good there. The highest speed jump on the track. That's fun. Some sections I feel so good, so flowy, and then like this back section where it's all in the shade and the dirt is so slimy, man. I feel like crap. original. This YZ125 is ripping pretty good. I like this. This guy's cruising. You're good, bro. I was just following you. As he roosts the shit out of me. Faster into this. That was a little bit better. Still trying to figure out the spots where the dirt looks the best, where I'm going to have traction. This one's the best. D-Rag inside. Ah, dude, if that was like a better berm outside, that would be sick. What to do with this section? So slow, I'm so slow. Let's go all the way outside. Oh! Dry, dusty, slippery out there. That jump's real small. Over jump that one pretty much every time. Wasn't a very clean pass, but we made a pass. Stay inside. There we go. That's where I got the traction, baby. Go ahead, bro. How are you? Oh! Alright, that 450 roof absolutely sucks, dude. Oh, and he just destroyed this line. Get this inside. Don't be a bitch. Chomp the throttle. Damn it. fan of these ant hills. Seems lame, but I don't like jumps that are just, that the only purpose is just to slow you down. OJ the shit out of it. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.